Here's what I wish I knew before installing LVP flooring for the first time. I wish I knew how to lay it out. See, this LVP flooring, when you install the planks in here, it's very easy to end up with a small sliver on the end if you install for a first full plank for the first row. So what you need to do is do a layout. Let me show you how we do this. What we do is we get a measurement of the room. This room's 118 inches by 97 and a half. And the actual flooring, so when I measure the flooring, I'm measuring the surface of the flooring since it's a tongue groove style. This flooring is 9 7/16 wide by 47 3/4 long. I know that number and I know my room dimensions. Let me walk you through the math. What we're going to do is we're going to take our 118 inches, which is the width of the room. We're running the planks widthwise, so the long ways is going to go this way. I'm going to divide that by 47.75. That's going to give me 2.47 planks. That means my last plank is going to be about half a plank. That's good. On these particular flooring, this is the Stainmaster LVP. I have to have at least 8 inches for the first or last piece and 6-inch staggered rows. So that's going to be fine for the first row. What would be a red flag if that was like 2.01 or 2.1? I'd have a little sliver. So we're good there. If I do 0.47, which is that number, times my plank length, I'm going to get 22.4 inches is going to be my last piece starting out. Sweet. So we're good that way. But now what about ending up with a sliver? We don't want to do that either. So what I'm going to do is take my 97 and a half, which again, we're running the flooring this way. We take my 97 and a half divided by my width of my plank. That's going to give me 10.3 planks. That means at the very end, I'm going to end up with 0.3. Well, what's that look like? 0.3 times the width of the flooring equals 3.11 inches. That's no good. We want a bigger piece of flooring. We don't want a little 3-inch sliver at the end of our floor. So what we're going to do is we're going to split the difference. So we have a little bit more board here and a little bit of board there. That means we have to start the first row a little bit shorter. So that's going to be our same measurement, 9 7/16. Subtracting by that 3.11, it's going to equal 6.33. So that's the difference of what the plank needs to be. Now we're going to divide that by 2 because we have to split it from the front and the back, or the first and the last rows. And that's going to give me a total of 3.16. I convert that, and that's going to be 9 7/16 minus 3 1/8 is going to be 6 1/4. That's my first piece of flooring. And I'm going to start with a full plank, rip down to 6 1/4, work my way there. This floor is going to be great.
Just to show you how well we can plan it out, here's the final product. As you can see, the last plank's exactly 6 1/4 and the first plank's 6 1/4. Easy to do when you know how to do it.